Jai Shri Ram. Adhyatma Ramayanam, Balakandam, that is the first canto. And within the Balakandam, the first chapter, Prathama Sargaha, okay, is called Rama Hridayam. Rama Hridayam. Actually, Parvati is questioning Shiva. Is Rama truly God? Why is he engrossed in worldliness? And Shiva, Mahadeva, explains the truth about Rama, which Sita instructs Hanuman. Sita tells Hanuman about the real nature of Rama, and Rama himself explains it in greater detail. This discussion is called Sri Rama Hridayam. Okay, I am reading Rama's words in this book published by Ramakrishna Math, translated into English by Swami Tapasyananda, Adhyatma Ramayana, right? The spiritual truth about Ramayana. So people who simply read Valmiki do not have a full understanding. See, Rama, the truth about Rama, you will understand only after you study Adhyatma Ramayana. And Rama himself is saying, 51 and 52, I am reading the English translation first. A devotee of mine who understands this supreme truth is fit for my status. On the other hand, one who ignorantly engrosses himself in the search for this knowledge in the pit of scriptural texts, Shastra Vasana, without any devotion to me, never attains to this knowledge of my nature. He will not have liberation too, even in 100 lifespans. O sinless one, Anaga, this esoteric truth about me, known as Sri Rama Hridaya, has been declared by myself, the Divine Incarnate, to you. This knowledge, which is superior even to the attainment of the heaven of Indra, should not be imparted by you to any conceited man who has no devotion to me. Now the Sanskrit verse, very lucid Sanskrit actually. Etad vignaya madbhakto madbhava yopapadyate madbhakti vinirmukhanam hi shastra garteshu muhyatam na jnanam na cha mokshaha syat tesham janmashatairapi idam rahasyam hridayam mamatmano mayaiva साक्षात् कथितं तव अनघा मद्भक्तिहीनाय शठाय न त्वया दातव्यम् ऐन्द्राद